getting a 7 in Spanish is not impossible. You can make it possible if you are disciplined and consistently work towards your goal. There is no magic formula. There is only discipline and consistency about this. Okay. Tip 1: TV active watch. You can watch news reports, documentaries, movies, and series, anything of your like, of your choice, something that you enjoy, but immerse yourself in Spanish every day. This is not something that you can do one time a month or a week. Okay, it has to be on a regular basis. The same way a gymnastic wants to get a split, no? Gymnastics, there was splits, beautiful splits in there. How do they get there? That's a skill that they train every single day. If you want to become a 7 student in Spanish or in any language, you also need to do your practice every single day. Second tip: learn the rules and practice. Okay, make up sentences using the different tenses. This is an exercise that you can do. Set some time, 5 minutes time every day. Okay, now this is my 5 minutes for my Spanish grammar, and you just take 2 tenses, subjunctive and indefinido, and make up 3-4 sentences. Okay, use your imagination, as I was saying before. 3. Practice the hard grammar. Okay, this grammar has to be practiced. It's not enough. The time that you listen to your teacher in class explaining this grammar concept, it is not enough. Okay, 100% not enough. You need to take your time to practice this complex grammar, past tenses, okay, subjunctive, especially for SL and HL students, conditional sentences, for higher level grammar also, and for ab initio, your conjugations, present tense, past tense, future tense, okay, has to be practiced. Tip 4, focus on the set topics, okay, and learn about cultural facts, traditions, celebrations. You need to include it in your orals, so you have to be familiar with these facts, okay. Number 5, read aloud in Spanish. Easy book. This is a good practice. You need to hear yourself talking in Spanish, because sometimes what we have in mind when we revise in silence without saying out loud is not the same. Then when we connect our brain with our, sometimes transferring exactly as we expected. So it is important that you take some small booklet, okay, easy booklet. So I'm sure you can borrow in your libraries or find it online, okay, and read out loud. 5, 7, 10 minutes a day. It's not much, but on a regular basis, if we do it every day, we will get there, okay. Vocabulary, use flashcards. Have your devices. Everyone has devices, tablet, the most modern devices we have. You can just keep your flashcards, and well, in your commuting time, you can just revise a topic. Okay, Quizlet or Anki are different apps that you can use for vocabulary. And then tip number 7: stay away from Google Translate or ChatGPT. Why? Because Google Translate translates literally. Okay, and then we become, if we use it a lot, very dependent on it. And when we have to face out paper alone with the pen and the blank paper, we are going to struggle and panic. Okay, so it takes an effort, but it pays off. Okay, only if we are regular with this exercise, with the practice exercise. Practice, practice, practice. That's my last tip.